Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have admin access and the connection details, so start now. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then VPN. Click Add a VPN connection. This creates a profile you can edit later. For built-in setup, choose Windows Built-in as the provider. Enter server address, VPN type, ICAV2 or L2TP for native, and sign-in info. Once done, click Save. This creates a usable profile, so you're ready to configure authentication and advanced options next. Now, edit the profile to match the provider's requirements. Get these details from your VPN admin or service. Choose VPN type exactly, ICAV2, L2TP with a pre-shared key, or open VPN via third-party app. Enter the pre-shared key or install the certificate if required. Make sure username and password fields match the server. Optionally enable Remember My Sign-In info for faster reconnects. If you need to limit traffic, configure split tunneling by adjusting adapter settings or DNS. Once set, test the connection. Click the VPN profile and connect. You should see a successful status and a different IP if routing works. Make sure you verify DNS leaks and that critical apps follow the tunnel. If the connection fails, check basic causes. Correct server address, pre-shared key, and that Windows firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the protocol. Also confirm system date/time and certificates are valid. As a quick fix, disable and re-enable the adapter, reboot, or reinstall the VPN client. These steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.